Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to reset the maintenance required. You see now there maintenance request, right? So I'm gonna show you how to reset that. So what you're gonna do is see this car is actually Toyota Avalons. So to reset this maintenance required, what you're gonna do is you see there A and a B idiot. So you're gonna click this one, this stick button. Push the stick button. You wanna now is it trip B, right? You change it to trip A. You see now trip A, right? Okay, what are you gonna do? Erase this one. Erase this one, okay? Like delete like this. Now 00. So what you gonna do is shut down your card now. Just press this button. You see? You're gonna some more. 1, 2 like this. 1, 2 like that. Then you're gonna but keep holding same time. You can keep holding the stick key. Then it show you here. So now my one hand is recording this video. So I'm gonna put my video down a little bit. Okay. Let me show you again. Okay, one moment. Okay, now I'm holding my stick key. Then I'm gonna put I don't need to put the brake. Okay, now you see the sign. I'm holding my one finger over there. Keep holding. Keep holding. Keep holding. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I'm done. Now what you're gonna do is just shut down the car like this. Then you just start the engine. Now you don't see anymore. See, it's gone now. All right, I hope this is helpful to you guys. Thank you guys. Subscribe.